Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are you all doing? How are you doing? Today's breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. So the People's National Party supporters, yes, the People's National Party supporters, them are burn a fire upon DreBrian. Them are burn a serious fire, a very serious fire upon DreBrian. So based on my investigations, PNP supporters created a group and added a specific person. And it's coming like, say, well, DreBrian wasn't pleased with that person that was in the group. I'm not a PNP follower, but I support the Jamaica Labour Party. So I know about going over the PNP, and I know about going over the GLP. Now the question I want to ask is, how is it you have the hierarchy of the People's National Party supporting DreBrian, but the supporters of the People's National Party definitely distance themselves from him? Because we all know Jamaicans, and we know how Jamaicans stay. You know Jamaica, once you go to the rare business, a Ronald or something there? No, DreBrian, big time FISH, big time Sprat, and everybody send him 1 year anniversary. But today, like 2 days after the anniversary, be a fire burn from the supporters. So the hierarchy big him up and the supporter burn the fire. So I'm gonna play one live with them do. This morning, a fresh live. And you have wanted Orin Cole come on and I try to say, oh, the labor right, I go record it. Him know so I record it. Them ammunition are not really help we in our politics because DreBrian is nobody to the PNP. You understand me more than somebody where ride the waves and spread misinformation. So listen to the live and you can tell me what you think. Alright? Remember this platform is a Jamaica Labour Party platform. But if you're a true patriotic Jamaican, you're supposed to know what's going on the PNP, also the GLP. I am not the GLP that person say, hey, me not listen to PNP news, me not listen to this. That is the problem with the PNP is having. Because none of the achievements that Andrew One is put out where they can benefit from, they don't know. They don't read. They don't research. Only thing them tell us, when me say Andrew One is me lock off my TV. When me hear the government talk, me lock off my TV. That's uneducational. Alright? So me, listen to both parties. And this one need to go up on this channel. Alright? Listen.
Greetings, DreBrian. This is Mark Golding. I have learned that today is your first anniversary on TikTok. And I just want to wish you a very happy anniversary on this auspicious occasion and urge you to keep up the good.
This is Isaac Buchanan, and I want to big up DreBrian on his 1 year anniversary on TikTok. Continue doing great work, and you know it go.
Dre, Dr. Dayton Campbell here, Gensec of the PNP. I hear that it's your anniversary. Just want to wish you a happy anniversary. Want to commend you for the tremendous work that you do on the front line of...
What can go so?
Pull up! Senator Crawford! Boy!
What's going on? Hail the king.
Hail the king. Hail the man. Hail the man. What a moment.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing my platform. I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. Trust me. Trust me.
Yeah, man. We just a biggie up and a thank you and the total team, who have been instrumental in getting our message out,
That is it.
Everybody in the chat, big up to and thanks for supporting, giving us that energy and that encouragement to go out there and fight,
That is it. That is it. Boy, me I tell you, me speechless, my brother. Jagai.
I love.
We are do this. We are do this. We are doing it.
KK, me see you in the chat, big up yourself, all right?
That is it. That is it.
One love power to the people.
Senator, big up yourself. Walk good, my brother.
All right, cool.
Booping at them head. Booping at them head.
Jamaica, first it was control. Look what going on, man. Hey, one more.
Hey, Dre. From the DreBrian Show. Happy 1 year anniversary, my brother. Happy 1 year anniversary. 1 year is a long time. It's a long time doing this on behalf of the people. And when you
Happy 1 year anniversary, Dre. For over a year, you have been taking TikTok by storm. And it's so important, the work that you do. I want you to know that you're appreciated. Thousands of people look
Happy for 1 year anniversary, DreBrian. It is so good to be here. I see you post them all the time, you know. I just follow you right here, so now I always watch you and see what you're doing. But it's good to be.
Good afternoon, Dre. This is Peter Bunting, congratulating you on the first anniversary of your show. Keep doing good work for the people. Big up.
Big up yourself, DreBrian, on your first anniversary on TikTok. 1 more year on the bug of them. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work. Yes, my brother. The word is love.
Everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. And everybody gone loose. Everybody gone loose. Things that you can't let me down, ball. You just be down, ball. Just bing. I bump there's a bedroom money. Bedroom money is a bedroom money. I bump there's a bedroom money. Bedroom money is a bedroom money. We dance, we dance. We dance with the function, we dance. I mean like me sing something. Some of the children sing something. Everybody come when you're ready to. Even sa, digga.
Hey Dre, this is Sian Barneswell, MP candidate for Southeast Clarendon. I want to give a special shout out to you on this your first anniversary. Continue to do the good work. The people are listening in.
DreBrian, happy anniversary. Happy 1 year anniversary of you being on TikTok, spreading our message throughout TikTok land to the younger generation, to my cohort, because I am president of the Patriots. And we just want to wish you all the best. We want you to continue the good work, and we want to hear more from you. So big up yourself, Dre. Big up your team, and we thank you from the Patriots, from Christopher Henry, Paul Blake. We thank you for everything that you do.
I want to commend you, right? Sometimes when we talk about those who work and toil for the party, we only think about those who might walk around canvassing, but those who really put in the work on social media for us, for our party, trust me, we appreciate you, right? You have helped to amplify our voices. Right now, nearly 300 people are just sitting here listening. And I'm sure they were probably more early in the morning.
Yes, man.
But we really thank you for the work that you and the others have been doing to really continue spreading the message for the People's Party.
Thank you. Dr. Dixon, big up yourself, sir. Blessings,
yeah, man.
Blessings, and the work, trust me, count on me to continue. We will bring home North Central together. Big up yourself.
Yes, absolutely. All right, blessings.
Big up. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Our principal brethren. And you see something where you say, you know, say, this not right a bumbo clock, dog. Sorry, my language.
Well,
you understand?
I tell you now, tell me. I just too me busy that week. I may have a big thing I come up next week, you know. But you see, as after the show there, I'm going to step up my thing. 2-3 times a week. Sundays a must. I'm going to step up my thing, man. Because if a straight nation may I promote. Straight nation. PNP people. No compete, no debate not going to go on for my life. It's about the problems of the country I face as PNP people. I'm going to step up my thing. Since I say it, I go then. Me never.
And not because, what you know? Not because I Mark Golding and PNP. Me not abandon my culture through party, brethren. You're mad.
Through party, you mad?
Nah, do that. Me nah stoop to the level of the brethren. Anybody choose that the road, them me not respect them, brethren. Me can't tell you that. Me can't respect you if you give up on your culture.
You know you expect a wash and a hang out and close the eye and our youth then close the gas school. Expect a straight nation.
Yeah, man, a straight nation, me say, man.
Straight nation. So if some boy run on like when we say straight nation, a bun will start burn them out too.
Yeah, man, yo, you know, say about 3 weeks now, cause me call it a new PMP, call it that. I've never voted yet or nothing. And I really, the youth and name Dre program first me really start listening, but I start listening, man, me hear say him a fish like him a talk, like how him talk, and me hear them voice, and I say, yo, I really rate that youth, but through my information, me not too, more while me go up and go listen. But from a buck up and caution them, I kind of tell me time I cut him off.
No, me realize that because you come on the live with me a couple times, well, I hold some good conversation, Rowan. And me kind of hold a vibe when you tell me, say, boy, you know, you're one of the indecisive, but you kind of lean because you hear some things you never know and you check it out and you say,
No. Stick a pin right there. So I'm not indecisive. I just never voted. I'm never really interested in politics, but me always a PNP. I just never put the exit.
All right. Nothing wrong with that. All right. So, but you want information. That's why you've been searching. That's why you go up on the platform. Them. That's what we are for. See? But a straight nation is all right. You watch after me do that show ya. You wait till me do that show ya.
Watch you know. Them attack me see because watch you know. Me see them agenda, you know. Because in the eat of the buckle where they go on where them depend. And them the biggest thing on TikTok and this and that. Biggest thing them blood clot.
Biggest thing them ras and this is what they are income from.
Let me try to show you something. Page can build with ease and that enough people don't know, brethren. Page can build with ease. Me can easily well have 100,000 subscribers. Me can buy that. Me can pay for that.
We can pay for that. And we not do that.
Who want subscribe? We not beg no likes, brethren. You understand?
Well,
this whole thing start. Watch you know. When this thing just start out, you know, we know say the man are fishing. You know, we say, yo, respect the platform. People are come on your platform where we are represent. Not try to disrespect people. And them think they don't act out of character. The dog say, true. Alright, him go stop right. Me see him do it over again. Me say, yo, watch you know. Yeah, fuck up. And you see the moment you fuck up to an extent where it can't come back. Me go light a fire, brethren. And the water can't out that. That means I youth when me light fire, gas me through and that and bamboo and everything.
Blaze and bamboo and everything and blaze that shit.
Yes, sir, I said. Brethren, Mikey, we are warrior, but we not go around and analyze man we are fish because we know say fish they all about.
Yeah.
You understand? But respect we culture, brethren. You understand? Because you see at the end of the day, brethren, it make you see the youth them astray because no respect not there again. You understand? And I say we accept certain things, but respect we culture, brethren. And enough man, you see Mikey, weak. Them can't hold out, brethren.
I mean, I know, man, them not see it.
Me not gonna talk about the woman them because I not expect no better certain way. You understand? Because the woman them have a persona for care. So them that say yo, them that give attention to a situation like that. Them would be more accepting to a person of that manner and stature. But you see, man have to be stronger, brethren. Enough man have to be stronger because you see, that's why we are lose the culture. We can't say one thing and I say the other, brethren. You understand? And I like say we not try. We try, you know. We say, yo, watch you know. You have fish, don't bring it to the platform. You understand? Stay in your lane. You understand what I say? Just hurtful, brethren. It's hurtful effort, brethren.
But in our but Diego,
when the man manifestate to themselves, brother. I
You
don't
understand?
lie, Tony. I don't lie.
When the man they kill out humanity, brother, because oh you go replenish the earth. Oh you go happy kidney if a man you there with or a woman you there with. Eh? I kill out the human race. So then the man if he just lift up, brother. You know what I say? And you can't disrespect, you can't
Good morning, good
like
morning. What the topic is?
expect that picky him hours when he go live and him a doing local thing. You never you expect a deal with certain things or a rape on certain things. So when you expect when I go disrespect everybody, you see it.
No, when you expect you this me. Me not care who I look on it any other way. For you expect you this me, brother.
You
If you
understand?
this cool, you this me. If you this rush you this me. If you this sway you this me. If you this mighty one you this me. If you this caution you this me. You this me. You this me. You this me. Morning, Dr. Cole.
When him just start out.
Hold on. Mighty one.
Yes, sir.
No one says something because I want two box, you know, to zoom up, but that's something here where I'm saying. You want talk, when we get to my body box, please.
No, I want to talk yesterday. No, I'm not nice, me not right now. Soon talk.
Alright, when you're ready, just send back your number.
Come here, offering.
Yes, Father Cole. We have one thing where DreBrian has disrespected expect. Me not finesse nothing. Me a talk it straight. Yeah? Chef build a post, a platform where must have the people in some group or the other. And this dude they're gonna say expect name. And look, read this now. Read this that is on the front. Now, him will go attack, him will style the Empress character. See, from him this, expect him this me. And I hope he can get that message loud and clear because with this is not acceptable and enough for see me? What are we name PNP? Right? You know wish to be a part of a group. Just don't say nothing, just come out of the group and tell them and say, yo, me not gonna be a part of it. Oh, expect backup page is not trustworthy and I don't wish to be a part of a group with those kind of people. You're a batty man. Who want a group in a blood clot fish and a friggin' tadpole? And when we thought, oh, they're against what I believe in. And that when go on the first time, you know. But I like to hear what Jordan would have said no. Me want to hear what him personally would have say no. Yeah? Because one of them when I back him and them fuckery. All of them. I mean now put me mouth on and talk. All of them back him and them fuckery. And when we are stand up for what we are deal with, right? The whole of them are talk we are lick out against them. This is unacceptable. Him have to give her apology publicly. Disrespect this.
So expect it in the group.
Well, it look like Chef Michael put her in the group because they are bloggers. All the way a blog for PNP, and him see her name in the group.
But hold on there. Me no want to apology, you know.
No.
I want more than one time him style we are gonna say no. Remember say I know just
all
know me
right, Express. Mikey.
Yeah.
Mikey, Express,
yes,
Diego, and everybody. Me as a senior man in this thing, the only thing me have to walk and preach is love, peace, and unity. And I will say this openly, that, and when I say to one, tape it and bring it, to anybody, when I say it, I don't eat at anybody's yard. Right? If we have a dispute, we don't need it on the ear, and I don't care who want to vex when we say it. We are on the final stretch, and you see that the JLP are backing for nothing. What Jay do here, well, I know what Jay do here is rude and out of order. That is my opinion based upon what me say. You get me, Mikey?
Yes, I get you. May I listen?
Right. And expect him can apologize, but you don't have to accept it. Right? You don't have to accept it. But we are on the final stretch. And unity is what we need to bring forth a victory. We can't depend here and give them the labor right, them least you could think we got tape and I run with.
Mr. Cole, you see right here now, me no business with no labor right
Expect,
now.
can
And
I say something?
where it go
Good
right.
morning, everybody.
And not this
Good morning,
me
Mrs.
attack.
That and Mrs. That.
Alright, run with what them want run with.
Good
No
morning,
business with that
everybody.
part.
Miss Dr. Cole,
Uh-huh.
I get your point, but let me tell you something. My take on this, you see, it is gone on for too long now where this person has been disrespecting females in the party at every turn he gets. Right? And I see people just sit by and nobody can say to him outright, you are wrong and whatever. Everybody just hug him up and praise him and whatever. Mr. Cole,
No.
you see at this point, Mr. Cole, you
No,
see at
Mrs.
this
That,
point,
well, I know you said nobody. At every time, Mrs. That, you said nobody. At every time something go down wrong, did I split justice right across the board?
Yes, you do. And we know
yes, Mr. Cole, but I'm saying.
Not say everybody.
But it's like most persons just make it look like say one set away are evil and away cause the division and party and away are the problem.
No.
I personally, I stay clear of certain lives just because of this Yishi. Because I don't know what to classify him as. I stay far from some lives just because of him. I stay in my lane. Now, Expect is one of them that stay in her lane.
Yes,
now, if you are placed in a group and you don't want to be a part of your group, all you have to do is simply exit the group.
Right.
All you have to do is, but to show you that the person have up Expect in a inkra, she or he cra, that him have to type all of this nonsense.
Look here where a man want to do is that E. You understand me?
Well, me Expect come in like me, cause me did tell them when him disrespect me, say me no want no apology. So him can keep an apology to himself.
It's not the first, not the second, it's not the third time he has done it. That is the problem. It's not the first, the second, and the third time he has done this crap. Right?
But Mike, we get the point, we get the point that you don't like women, but why do you have to keep, showing us that you don't like women? We know you don't like women, so duh. We don't like you neither.
Hold on. As of today, I'm going to try to put one sitting on me. I want to help me. A straight nation, me write up on my thing. And that's on me there. Straight nation, me I deal with. No lean nation. Straight nation. So anybody who want to come for me after now can start. Because that me put on my thing. I mean, not tolerate this. We are one team. You know, see it?
Mikey.
Yo.
Mikey.
Yo, Jenna.
I one next thing women don't like, People are going to put you in a group and they live, make you know or ask you if you want go in a one group. You understand? Just dash you in a group. You know the them thing, brother.
But you're supposed to ask if this person wants to be a part of a group. You have a thing named decorum. That's supposed to be considered in every sense. Why you put people in a group without people even know it called Expect? Empress and who say, me a form a group, blah, 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 blah. Like if you're a part of it. It is expected to say yes or yea or nay. And I realize that there's a lot of things been going on. And nobody is showing any respect to some people, like some black or big or some. My youth, what they ain't done JLP, What they ain't done PNP, Just the other day, brother. expect to do more work as a PNP more than him. Imagine people start doing it. We expect now rub shoulder with no man for look no clout. She ain't doing that. Brother, them disrespect how we are going, brother, need to stop. And that dude there need to fix up himself too, you know. Need to fix up himself, Rasta.
That's why I take for myself for early, you know, if I don't expect box, you see me in a rush box, you know, brother, or some of me look a long time TikTokers friend them, you know. You know, find me in a certain, you're mad. 6:30, 6 o'clock till 9.
I expect the lady I go happy. There's no way under Jamun and Star expect you to be happy. We getting a message like this. She not a troubling man. She not she not go on in life. And you alright something like this?
And you hear me rush this morning, because I go on one platform in a comment and hear the same argument. That man platform is the biggest platform to lead to come over there and this and that. You know them thing there, brother. We have own a platform over here, so you don't tell if we come over there, so.
And then this little man we have a next platform. I will tell people
Anthony, everybody about the bulla. So everybody playing them part. You understand me? Everybody about the bulla. The party is bigger than any individual. The party is bigger than Mark Golding. Mark Golding is only the president of the party. Right? And we're playing our part. Expect, if I tell you that your feelings don't hurt, I'm going to lie to you. The difference is with me and other people is that I do not walk and push fire or wood in a fire to blaze it bigger. I have a mission, and one mission I'm here for is to speak the truth at all time. And that's what I'm doing. However, continue your work, don't stop.
Well, Mr. Cole.
Right? May I hear you, Anthony?
Brethren, morning. Mikey. You see what me I show you? The man them down you no love the woman them. The man them down you no love the woman them, Mikey. The man them down you no love the woman them.
Bobby, look here now. You must understand. You must understand. Well, did I say expect wrong or
No, that's
nothing. Expect nothing. You ever hear expect and disrespect nobody yet?
What him do is wrong.
What you ever hear this? Me never from me company life. I deal with expect. Me never hear she start nothing negative yet.
Bobby. Did I say expect do anything? I said based upon the evidence before my eye now. When me I see, right? I said based upon the evidence what I'm seeing, he's wrong. I go and talk to him. Right? You see, once a man no come run on my front or run on my back, me not have no problem with him. Right? Me can't tell any man that my neighbor can be where he want be. He can be Poco. Me a 7-day Reformed Church of God. And my neighbor can be Poco me in here. The next one round in next side can be 80s. The next one up front can be Adventist. And the next one round back be Anglican. Once you do not bring your culture to me, I don't have no problem with you. Right? What I'm saying, Mikey, we are here.
If you know what in the group, him no need for say this, all he need for do.
Thank you.
Delete himself.
Thank you.
If you're going if somebody put all the way under the same umbrella, fighting for the same cause. And if you don't want in the group, delete yourself.
Right.
Vacate yourself.
Or if you have somebody confident, and say, look, you know, say Mikey in one group. I mean, I'm not with Mikey. So me now go in a group. You understand me?
But the saddest thing that expect name, they say boy she want to be a part of the group, Dash expecting a group,
That is the thing, and she never get to have a choice. That is my point. She never get to have a choice. And at the same time, she humble herself. Alright, she in the group. Expect the boy, I'm not sure if more stay so. Me will take myself out of the group. Expect never call nobody, never text nobody, never say nothing to nobody. But she was doing what she was doing as a mother with children. And then you send a message like this, smearing the lady's character. She has been a PNP longer than this boy ever imagined saying in can piss and shit. Right? And you do this. This is blatant fuckery. No matter how we analyze and look at it, we could have reread and look at words so till God come. This is wrong, brethren.
And Mikey, all what we are going to say, I said that already, saying wrong. Openly, loudly, never with water on my mouth. But the end of the day, Mikey, I know it is up to expect, not me and you, or anybody else to walk and push fire into it. Me can't apologize for Jay to expect. Expect that she don't want no apology from him, right? So at the end of the day, right, you hear one man come on a program and say at any cost, for labor right win, at any cost, right, they have to win. I am not saying at any cost for PNP to win. I am willing to go any cost. I am willing to any cost. Once my dignity intact to unite the blagging. Let me put that out there.
Well, Mr. Paul, all I will know say no unity now go there in this blagging thing. Somebody help me! The unity now go there. Can you have people that pick on people when I see them, like myself, yeah. When me and this guy ever have, him block me and I don't do him nothing. Only time I reach my film live, you know, if one I know over there, I'm go click it and I reach over there. Now once I look and see there's somebody, I come off.
This is what talk, Express or Mrs. Dash.
And me attack, man, I expect attack.
Okay, right? There is nothing wrong with that. Me have live when me look and me see Mikey Panny and me go over there where them a talk about her love life and so and me do tap up and move.
Of course.
You understand me?
Of course. Of course.
Me go over Mikey live and where Mikey a talk about her music and so and me do tap up and move.
Aye. And you never give me no trouble. You let me know say you're there about and you cut me say alright dada. No say a word.
Yeah. Because the topic we not talk on right now me can't talk on then topic that in after election. Plain as that.
I me get that. I me understand that fully. I me
You
only
understand
respect
me?
the facts you pass through my thing like that. I me respect that. But at the
Right?
same time, yeah, some people not show no respect to others. We just start
Me
black.
know-
We just name PNP. Never name PNP for no long time. Then just come a PNP party right now. According to them. For them mouth say it, you know. I know me, you know. For them mouth say it, you know.
So, Mikey, I am not asking anybody. I mean, make sure call name. I'm not asking anybody who is against Mr. DreBrian to go on him live. But what I'm just asking, please, can we keep a united front move forward? That's all.
All right. Mr. Cole,
I personally,
Mr. Cole.
But
you fit tell the man them, stop trouble the woman them. Stop. If you ask her for little goat nose and she said no, left her alone.
Bobby, I personally want to call DreBrian personally on him phone, not man no live, and I go and talk to him again. Right? Say, look, you know that me hate people, Mikey, when me see daily. And then can know, the only person who is me pillar. When me drink me rum and I go in and cuss out them backside, you see. And a morning when me wake up back, me and them my best friend.
Dr. Cole, this thing I go too far.
Right now, me have to go take me hard pill because
Hold on there, guys. Me can say something.
Hold on there, Russ. Right now, me have to go take me hard pill. You not gonna kill me after before me vote? Yes or no? No want to see me vote?
No, we want your vote. We not kill you.
Let me turn on the camera. Because me have to go take it. Me not take none yesterday. Let me turn on the camera and show no.
Me no want
you take none yesterday. Like you no want to kill me after rock after you do. You night you stand man. Me go call you. Me go call you man.
Yeah.
Mike, if you notice, me not depend on live from the other day. Me not depend on live. Me depend Jam Views live the other day.
No good. And that no good. Bobby King, that no good. We need you know on the live. We need everybody pan live.
Yeah, but here what me now. Here what me now. You see how me come down here and when you talk to them there, cause them can't be right, it must be wrong. When you talk to them and you not get cross to them, me depend Jam Views live the other morning and I hear one come up say, oh, we are tell lie pan the Prime Minister. I blow up, you know. You know what me have to do a day after? Me have to go to the psychologist. Because it have an effect on me. You can't get cross to them. So do that. Me not once you have any of them in the box, me nah come up.
Yeah, Mikey.
Me nah come up.
Me tell you, Mikey. You understand me?
Yeah.
Mr. Cole.
I kill no one kill me half man. Me take a pill before.
Mr. Cole, we need everybody on the live them, but I expect our rush live. There's something there right now.
Yeah, you need it for expect. All right. Me no.
Me no stress so far.
Me go call name. You know, say one night time me and Caution kick off wicked. One night time me and DreBrian kick off wicked. Because guess what? Me now go tell Jay say go talk to Caution. I'm not go tell Caution. Me say look here, no keep no bother. You Caution don't have to come on your live. And me tell Caution the same thing. Jay block me, Caution block me. And what me do? Me not tap call them rasting them up and block me.
Well, you're different, you know, Mr. Cole. You're different because from the moment me say boy, me no welcome, me say, Nassim said welcome. From the moment me say boy, certain things are good over there, so you're not going to find me over there. I just show me stay.
I'm not different, brother. Me is on a mission. I am on a mission.
Well, for me, mission over here, so sir.
Yeah, but it's a mission you depend same way. It's a mission you depend same way. Go ahead, Rosso.
Mr. Cole.
Go ahead.
You know the issue that I am having. All right. Me is a girl where me observe a lot, right? And most people that know say my platform was not built to have PNP discussion, right? But as me get acquainted with the whole on various platforms, once me go live, people swing by and it get political, right? No. The thing is, when me not like, I may say this boldly, you have some PNP persons that act like they are the elites. Them are the top people in a society, and them alone know history, right? So therefore, and people talk on live. No man, I am here.
No, me say you have
not hear me, Mikey?
Yeah, man, me hear you.
No, me not drop no word on you, Mr. Cole. Cause if me call you out, me go call you out.
Thank you.
But when me say, as a elder in the business, then Zine, you can't come on one platform and now tell people say, oh, this is such platform and the platform where you have to come on, man, cause at the biggest PNP platform. How the hell you? Let me tell you something. You see, anybody come on my platform and I go attack because the thing is, you know, I am trying. amongst me and my team, we are trying to get persons to come on, we can come enlighten people, make them know what's going on, right? And
Yeah.
if a man or a woman dare to come on my platform and want to tell nobody, say, oh, if you come over here, some man, when me done, you can't just block me off of TikTok because you see something foolishness, straight up bullshit.
Aye.
At the end of the day, we there to build each other. So
Yeah.
nobody no fear try build it to anybody and I try
All
make them
right.
feel like say boy, them less of a PNP. At the end of the day, one vote the whole of we have.
Thank you.
One number
Thank you.
vote. So it's not like say a man I go have 10 vote, me have one, Expect have one, Steve have one amongst others. And the thing is when me observe, right? Me a no blogger, but at the end of the day, if me see certain video drop, me post it, right? A lot of persons me see post video. Me no know them from Adams, you know. But me realize that they are a comrade. So guess what? Me repost, me share, me post it over. But you have certain people, Mikey, if I know some people drop a post, them not.
Them not posting none at all.
I like it. Much less we share it. Some people they
All
on
right.
platform and
Mikey,
say, oh, them now go on certain PNP platform. Like, what the hell?
Mikey, I don't know how
Them
to
something they not
repost yet.
necessary come like, yeah, look
But
down
Ross,
on people.
I don't know how to
Yeah?
repost.
Yeah?
I don't know how to repost. But 98% of the video, me like them.
No, me know that.
I me see that, Mr. Cole.
Me know
Me
that,
see
Mr. Cole.
that.
We know that. We know that.
Me
Remember,
don't know
we
how
tell
to
you.
repost.
Yeah, we
Me have to go
know.
learn to do it.
For the
Yes.
persons where older than we.
But everybody
Older
will put
than me,
out
I
a video
expect
out there.
other people.
Once me see it, me like it. Me press the red button. I make it turn heart, I make it turn red. As according to Nelly. You get me?
That's true. That's true. Because you repost some things to me and you don't know, you never know it's me and then you find out it's me. You repost my thing no matter what.
And if you two me don't know how to repost it, Rochelle, me share it. Me send it to Mikey.
Yeah.
Me send it to everybody
Alright,
who me
let me
can.
tell you something. Mr. Cole, you see when you press the same share button,
Yeah.
you see over to your left, you're going to see a thing in a yellow, say repost. Or I think it white and when you touch it, it turn yellow. One out of the two, but it is on your right, on your left hand side of the bottom screen. Once you press the share button, you go to repost.
Right?
You understand?
Because up to 1 year, Ashra was saying that she put up something and no PNP just look funny but them not like it.
They don't like the woman
And she said not Mr. Cole, she said not Mr. Cole, every picture I put up Mr. Cole like it. You understand me? Because that's what as a contribution me I do. And that's what me know if you do me I do. You get me? So when me don't know if you do, me not do it. Because to me now, it last my phone, you know. I lock down because probably me don't know when me do tweet it just lock down. You get me? So me sometimes I watch it. Me can't tell you. Sometimes I watch a video good enough, Mikey. Me reach out for a video. And me just like and just move to the next one because this man when me wake up at 90 had something there. Figure watch 90 odd pan a friend part where friend post up. Then so if you go to 90 odd, you know, me not talk about who I send me different live yet, you know. Me not talk about pan me WhatsApp something yet, you know. So my dear hectic pan this thing, you know. As a whole man, you know, and a sickly man. But here the joke, brother. Me come on a mission. Me start a journey. And I run a journey. And one thing for sure. Me son-in-law called me this morning and saying here. A topic in here me. I'm going to be careful. Me say look here. Me I go dead any you take it. And from my sister and come we move on with the argument.
I am a feed you. I am a feed you.
No, my son and my daughter husband, man.
Yeah, man. So, you know, say my check films are cool because him hear certain things, say I make sure and check on him. And that is a good thing. See me, I say? That is a good thing.
You
But
understand, Mikey?
at the same time, you know, that is
Well, one thing me know. So expect and rush. Them 3 women there. Them 3 women there in the organization can call me and say, hey, do that. Them tell me no want no man. No round there some man trouble none of them 3 women there.
Yes, and that's a code. That's a code.
So expect and rush. Them me a beg no. No, me no want no man in trouble because then 3 women they can call me. A big old man like me and say, hey, can me check for them 3 women there? You understand me? And I bush me a go, so give me a little time. And me a beg no. Please, me know them 3 women they not trouble. Oh, me see them pan them they not trouble nobody. So why a man with a want set up them a derogative thing? Pan a woman when not trouble him. Why? What's your narrative? What your motive? Watch a man. Watch a woman them name and a woman me love. Me no in no Samoa. Fire. Love or no. Me love or no.
I mean.
Me not run from it. Me love or no. So no take care. Me a go in the bush. All of my brother them. Take care. Me soon forward. Me a go in the bush. Bless up me queen. Rush and expect. Love or no. Unconditionally. Love or no.
Bless up. What you mean?
Oh,
what you mean?
take care of yourself. Me love or no.
Yeah, man. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
Oh.
Yeah, man. Oh, Mighty one, you ready for talk yet?
Yeah, Mikey, I'm there, Mikey.
Eh?
I'm there.
Where hey, why me flick short you? Why me flick short you for? Because me text you one day and me not get back the reply.
You text me or no? No, I'm text you what day. I want to get a video I get. But I can't, but I'll watch certain video right now because I'm not there right now.
No man, but you need me text you if you send me a digit. Me not get it from you yet, brother.
Yeah, me text you. Look through your message, man. I text you a long time ago.
Come on, talk to your power issue, man. Be badly. I think you know too. Want to talk to your badly power issue, brother. You see me?
Inbox, you see my number. Well, you see what the issue me have this, I'm always say it. I don't have a problem with nobody or nobody. You see me? Because yeah, someone that grow me. But you see, I'm say it often, and this is why I'm ready to share. Going back to certain people because you see when me go through the life with my mother, me have a love for a woman where I'm not gonna stay there and watch her disrespect a woman because I'll be say we not stay there there. And you see the thing now where I try to understand we are all big people. You see me? We into this for a cause right now the government will come out of office.
Yes, sir.
We can't have a distraction and an argument over petty foolishness, you see me? Even if you in one group, you see one person you like, the whole represent the one party. You don't need to talk to the person if you don't want to talk to the person. If you're a person who say in a deal, just stay there, so avoid that person there. Because the reason why they add everybody who they need to add in a group, because they want to put out a message, you see me? So you throw shade of somebody because of circumstances. That shows you're being petty, and you can't. And sometimes you Lego things more time because these things are the reason why certain things happen in the country. Because your man can't catch up, and then about 3 to 4 years, the same person comes shake you over foolishness. Them things need to stop. You see, because we all big people. We never see eye time more time, but at the end of the day, we have our own agenda. And if you're not fast with my mission, we never fast with your mission. You see me? I cater about a person's lifestyle because at the end of the day, everyone obligated to live what they want to live them life, or if it is something for cause them for analyze themselves or put themselves in a situation, that is not my problem.
Me no cut your mighty one. Me have to run leave, you know, and express. You know, when you see me send me request, you take, you know, because me will come burn you out, you know. I will come out and call you out.
Tell you the honest truth of God love. Any life in the pan, me nah go pan it. So no feel no way
No, me
when
not talk about that.
life.
No, listen. When you have your life, I go on and you see me send you my request. If you not take it up, I go and walk and tell people say you have me up because me talk the truth, you know.
You see, the thing is that
me is Jamaican. Me never won a passport, Mikey. Mikey?
Yeah.
You know, the last time he's sitting in your H paper, one long piece of pink paper.
Yeah.
You see the new one we come in before the new one, yeah?
Yeah.
Not even that me never look about.
You have my
You know
one
why,
right as a side of my film one there, right?
But tell you why, Mikey. If I me have 14, me I work. Me grew up working. Me never work for nobody, you know. Me work for myself. Family business. And when me look upon people who go to America and come back and tell me I have to work 3 jobs to survive. And me there at Jamaica and me work 1 job. Me start at 5 o'clock in the morning and me done 10 o'clock at night. Me buy anything me want. Fi cook and eat right through me life. Hunting to the day. So Mikey, I decide not to go to America. No care right now they want me to take trip.
Yeah man, you will take a trip, man.
The last birthday we gone here, me niece say uncle if I'm me niece say uncle if I'm Cuba me quick carry go. Me say hey, you go trip on our car with me. At 6 hours if me can me go me there. And now I left Jamaica. I'm dead serious. But I cannot live underneath a Jamaica where you have a government who do not care for his people. I cannot live underneath a Jamaica where a prime minister do not respect the mass of the public. From September the 5th, Thursday, the bill was tabled in the parliament. We are about the 13th of October today. And until now, the
You know?
you understand me? We have the list of corruption where one man take 1,000 US dollar, buy a 16-ounce cake. Right? And the list goes on and on and on. So that's the mission. So when we go up on a platform, the only platform when I go up on, and I see a labor right, I don't talk to them, I direct the question to the host, I read the one. So, I get a cup of tea, settle down, the caution come, we no keep the fire blazing, and not burn it in the break up day. So the word is love here.
Haile Rastafari. Let's up yourself.
So why is me forward myself fire for I was going right as
Come on, fire blaze before you even come on the platform and read to your side there and see what go on, brother. All them have fuck here we not tolerate around here. Good morning.
Why? It's like, yeah, what some school people interact with just don't understand growth. certain time, more time, we have to Lego things, you know. You know, the thing about it, as a man growing up, you can't follow a woman, you know. Man, this today and tomorrow different thing, you know. So even if she says something to you where you know too like, maybe because it's something to her where she never like either. And you know, woman hide them feelings and them tell her how it is, you know.
But you never
You see me?
think to this man a long time, and that's the problem.
Mighty one, expect,
Yes, sir.
let's say, this gentleman or whatever, expect them to say nothing about your feelings.
No, I get me I try to say no. I be say I don't say she say anything towards it, but the thing with me not follow up woman. Because when a woman upset, she say anything with her mouth to make you feel away. That's what a woman say at the end of the day, so me can't follow her. So even she said nothing to him or say something to him can vent or behave a manner because what happened, or maybe somebody should power with. Is it these things are petty?
Petty, brother. Totally petty. Totally petty, brother. And you're maligning the lady character like say, you know, feel say, you know, response to what you say. I disrespect that, brother. You can't do them something and expect say people who look for you like say, boy, yeah, a normalcy. Not that this is nowhere near normalcy. And yes, we have a party. And yes, we are put together. And we are pushing forward. But with like this.
I mean, yeah, people always say to them, you know, so them green people are more organized that way when it comes towards unity. Because enough them saying kick up on live and on 2 tomorrow, so are them again, you know. You know, now late night, about 9 man, everybody has people saying them people kick up not live.
You see, all of this, brother, just pointless, bridging, because you see, regardless the facts of people, nah, go really deal. You know, you have workplace where people and people don't talk, them and a friend, they might don't talk because them just don't want to talk to each other. They might talk before and them decide say them not really want, you know. But them still, you know, so if you jump in a zone and you realize, boy, you know, a few people in the zone there, they can't do the honorable thing. But I thought, this is what I thought, you know, this was my opinion now. I thought all of this was done. Me surprised me say this morning. Come here and say, yo, what things say this is done, Virgin, from all along. I never know this still I keep. You understand? You make up on a little life and you say now move forward as one and rate and one bag of rural race. So I see what the whole issue at that point, them say me was the issue. So I never know say other people now are the issue. In the issue. So I don't really know what's going on right now. And this is just like when you read the message, it sounds like, you know, when somebody spoil and them want to like
want to be the center of attraction.
Say, yo, take out that person, but them are try to put a level of thing on it because them are, you know, listen, I don't think say, yo, people like them that really get people attention. You check, so I just saw a thing going on, Virgin. I think this person understands what them are do, and this person will always be this person. So, you know, like certain agreements and certain reason, it does not really cut it because this person not going to change for please no one. You just have to just learn for just not live with the person, but just know say, yo, you in your own zone, no matter how small the zone want to be, just hold your own zone, make them hold them own zone. It's just simple as that. Because you see, if this person was a very wise person and pro PNP or pro socialist, certain little things you would have put down and know, say, listen, you move forward on a more positive note because we are trying to, you know, put back the government or party into government, and all of this what going on so now go help. Because without unity we're weak, we don't have the strength, and no one man can do this, and that is a problem. And I think this person feel like he or she or she can do it by themselves, and that is the big problem. All people have to come together to accomplish this dream. It's not a one-man dream, it's not a one-man team. There's no one-man team. It's all of us. So I don't really know if it's I not really talk much panic certain way. I just hope say yo things can just I don't really want to go back in them dark days there. You understand? Cause them days are kinda really dark, but I don't know, I just surprised, you know, things that are done.
Caution, let me tell you something. You see, when you have people who manufacture things like this without anything happen, those people are some dangerous people in life, even going near them, brother. Because this was intentionally manufactured. Saying, all right, fine, it manufactured, it happened. Now, you and the lady not have nothing, and you still try to drag the Empress name like this, eh? She malign her character big time, brethren, and that's not acceptable. That's not right. Yeah? And then we hear boy, you know, says a party thing and we have to go come together. Yeah, we are come together. But at the same time, when you have people that do this and have their own personal agenda, he must know PNP from a long time. He must just come PNP. Nobody now beat him for that, right? But have some decorum and manners to the people when come see brethren. That is all, you know. Nothing wrong with we saying that. Yeah? You come out, come disrespect the woman, brawling and bleeding. No, brother. All if she don't want it, he's expected to make an apology. Whether she want it, yes or no, we don't care. He need to come, see him like how he publicly do this, he publicly need to apologize. All right, now, me sorry, you know. But me put a tag on my Ras thing, straight nation, and that's what me there right now. Because me not tolerate no bullshit. Yeah? People are going like for them thing, oh, them a push for them agenda. No, it not go, if it work for them, it not gonna work for me. And if they don't want to come on my platform, but I'm do what me do, I don't care. Straight nation, straight. And that's what me there right now. Me have to support my sister. No matter what me want say or what me want do. Me have to support her in any form. Because you go for she, you go for me too. And that's what I'm going to left you, brother. And the war thing, and the fighting, but if you go for expect it's a lady, she not trouble nobody. She not this nobody for the platform. Yeah. See? And you come for her like this, you have to come for me too. Simple. I mean, no, we're supposed to start fight for building things. That's what we have been doing. We have been building. When you have a cockroaches like this, or could do something like this, what are we supposed to think?
Bring him in, you'll have to bring the silver too. It'll keep him from enjoying.
Greetings, Mikey Dread. Greetings to each and everyone on the platform. Lady Expect.
Hi, Miss
Blessing and greetings. Where's my daughter Sue Sue? Mighty One High. How are you all doing? Rain a fall over England. Terrible, Miss Washway. But me I wash from Jamaica. I'm a bound land. Miss Expect when you're doing something good, expect that you hear your name, expect that they're gonna come after you. Goodness stands alone. It not a no company. But you see, if you do something bad, anything you do bad, it got murder, thief, liars, and all sort of something back up against it. But when you're doing something good, darling, you stand alone. No matter what a wash come against you, yeah, you're going to stand up strong. Dig your foot a dirty and continue doing the good things you do. Peace and love.
Highly.
Thanks, Miss Moby.
Highly. You know, really. To when me say go on, that's right, you know. And I make me feel back up and make me pull the rems and kick back because me not normally hear expect something down. like when me hear this morning, and it affect me. Me not like that. I've never hear it like this. Me not like that. Seeing, I was supposed to start build at this moment, at this junction in a wagwan, a building thing with the pan. But yeah, some people come out and deliberately ripping it apart. And it is deliberate.
Boy, I know what to say. Because right now, I go find some green people life and like, I realize the camera them have them foot them throat. They don't know what to say, they don't know what to do. Them cut them last, I make Mr. Vegas last on top of it. They say, well, them last. They don't know what to do right now because everything them try to defend, backfire in them face. Because
backfire in them face.
Because the truth always come out. You see me? Any lie that spread, the truth always come out. Sometimes you up on live and I cuss each other more time because you have some green people actually see what go on and I cuss since the party need to do more work and more thing and you the web and say you can't say anything upon the live really because what? They have an agenda. You can't show no weakness, you can't show no pettiness, you see me? As I say, enough time now late night me this is couple and kick off. And then the morning again at them again. Because what? They don't get paid, they have them script, they know what to do. You see me? And right now, I see when it come to us my PNP people, it's like I'm not going over them life too much and them rub off on you. I remember we say it one time and say anything I come from live right live, just watch will I be that come over PNP live, you see me? Because sometimes you rub off too much on them. We go there back and I try have a conversation with them.
They unleash one blogger now. According to them, one little youngling, like a tadpole say she come from and all. Somebody named Lexi. And she come up on a live with me there and she come with a brute force and I say, yo, and the brother with the on the live, they give it to her and give it to them and she come pronounce about she can study, she's intelligent, she's educated. And I could find bone sitting. And I say, you know what? Let me leave that live because me and this cockroaches are supposed to have no form of conversation. Yeah, I'm going to tell you straight. I mean, I mince my words, brother. Them the conspiracy when you're spawn, you know. Me not in enough form of conversation with none of them.
Mikey, I tell you, say, yo, be there among some of them, you know, before the whole election thing started, you know. But there among some of them, I'm saying, people may look up to and say, yo, you can't hold a good conversation. You see, when the whole thing start, I'm saying start feeling out green, I'm saying start say certain things, I say, well, and I see him educated youth or woman where me not reason with upon certain life about certain things. Why them talk so now? I say, yo, this so him have unfollow. Well, follow up with them, you know. I say, yo, my name is Liberty, you know. Until the whole thing going, you know. I say some people were educated, were talk about things where I give them problem from the get-go for the whole election thing start, and then after me say start change up them mouth. I'm gonna say, yo, this not sound right. Like them forgot say, yo, actually my name changing, you know, they don't remember, you know. But if I say, I say, when you start following me, I say, I'm follow for a long time. From 2022 me I follow you. Early 2022 me I follow you. Come a quiz company, I'm serious about some things more time. But certain situations going in a country where affect the young youth, them and things. So I say all of a sudden, you're different the same party where cause all of this. Because from the party come up poor, you know, even more culture gone, you know. Because right now Jamaica my culture, you know.
Culture gone, dude, gone.
Jamaica have a culture, you know. You can't believe you even people are consider to merge two important holiday.
Yeah. And them are back this thing as so much illiteracy, brother. We can't deal with any people. I don't want them run for my life. I don't want them around me.
First of all, you as a leader, when you know say them two important. If it was any other holiday, I could understand. But two important holiday represent our culture. You want merge because you want more working entity, working days. Some really want dash one day.
Because Jamaica is a slave colony. Yeah, I show him the real meaning of Jamaica. Jamaica is a slave colony. And they don't give a fuck. They don't care. They don't care about nobody. You know, Punkus tell you already, man. Prime Minister have business with poor people because poor people can't help him. But the live you talk, you know.
I'm not tell you, say, yo, when we see certain people, when we know what PNP, we share certain things that with them people, I can't differ from them because I say, yo, you know, if you're a sheep in wolf clothing or something, because you can't do certain things where I say you want my work more time, I say, yo, other people I work with, as Caution said, me not sabotage my work because it help me get a pay me. If me and you can't agree, I stay far from you. You see, me stay far from you if you know, say, you me and I can't agree. I can't say eye to eye, but when it comes towards the work, you do your work. And right now, they put a campaign. Just focus on the campaign. You don't have to get personal. If I see person in one group, just avoid the person. That's not hard. That's not hard at all. That is petty.
You disrespect the woman. Me not take that one there, brother. Alright, you know, me not start no war. But a straight nation out there on my thing. Me not want no bend nothing around me a blood fire. Me start body fire and done. Who want bex? Who want bust?
Boy, Mikey.
No. We have it. If I live for nothing, you stand for nothing, brother.
Mikey, I gotta be honest with you, Mikey, and this is what I hate about that generation of people. We don't need to declare who me is.
Exactly.
That is your personal life. You don't need to declare nothing. If me know I love woman. If you do, just stay in a little zone and just don't try to chew up your sexuality from people. I say I prefer say a new generation of people where like it matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. So much like you need to put up that no matter. People make it look like it matter, but it don't matter. Because no man can look at you and say you're lean. Okay, you show a muscle inside you. You need to do that is a one thing talk.
But brother, when they come to expect like this, when him do this now, what are we supposed to think?
Listen, a straight man would never disrespect a woman. Not how she put herself in a certain situation to say something to your body. You would never disrespect a woman because we know a woman stay.
Hey, calm down.
Someone lean like a lean.
You see me? You know what time me say woman say certain things to me. Say put me in a character me no fit in her, and I say yo, listen to me. Man say you know make me different, you know make me better, you know. Because me not put for a trace the woman, I put for the with no woman. Worse, that woman not nothing for me for make me catch up with her. My woman keep me enough time my woman cuss me after her. I first take it. Because what? I feed them straight that. If a man say something too tough to me, you know, hands think the thing there, you know. Because what? You're my peer and you're supposed to show respect. If you know, say you don't want to deal with me, just stay far from me. But if you say something too tough, what me not like? Is that you missing a teeth or me missing a teeth? I just the same thing there. I say I don't like when man disrespect woman, but don't like it. Because I may say, no people don't know this. During slavery, the woman them make could even exist right now.
Yes, and then woman is going to chuck them breasts down mouth when they tie way up on the tree them. How much people know that the history? When they tie way up all night, rain or fall, the woman then come thief out, they come push them breasts down mouth. And we get little milk for drink. Brother, I know the history, you know. And that's why I am really, really conscious about certain things in the brethren.
And even that alone, enough time, the slave master want beat the man to sickness and the woman just persuade him to stop and carry him somewhere. Maybe she even sell herself to him, but at least she save a black man right there.
Of course. Yeah, can't come this
And
year.
the more you read upon history, and the more you respect. I'm gonna say a woman, them strength is their mouth. And sometimes if you look, I not lie, sometimes you put someone in them place more time now, but do it respectfully. You see me? Do it respectfully. But I see until them people follow up the woman. And this is me here with the new generation of people. They must follow up woman. When you think back to the days when man and woman can catch up the argument, man got bar or got road. Because he can't, he know if you're fucking them for put mouth to mouth with the woman.
I will not sit here and I read this thing here. But the part of this thing here, right? Please do not invite me to be a part of anything that has to do with this expert person. I disrespect that. See? An expert here right now to expect. I will not say him better than that. Expect, but and then you come back, don't answer now. Expect backup page is not trustworthy. In what sense? You're a fish and you're on the damn platform and hug up man in a party and your PNP platform that. What the bumbo clat him say? What him tell me say? You go on him page right now. There's a thing when that party him and one next man a rub up. What the bumbo clat him tell me say? You not tell me no blood clot fucker this morning. Straight nation my blood clot say. It all dep on my page. Don't give a fuck. Him are the youngest blood clot PNP boy. Because one used to button him and plug him. Blood clot, and him says so. Tell him if he come for blood clot me. Pussy clot your top. I hear this woman, the woman I wash and I take care of you because I hear disrespect this lady weird. Have this thing here. Right or right, wrong or wrong, and bullshit is bullshit. Yeah, chatbot. The same PNP page where up on the platform, when they go on it, yeah, him and man that party I hug up and I dance with a bumbo clot to not tell me, say. You don't give a fuck about the body lifestyle, but that can represent me. One like a pussy will just come stand me on platform, I just want them into labor, right, but on PNP. Brother, you know what? Expect a year live. No disrespect to your mama. No, me whole heap and I go to every single person on the platform, but that is fuckery. And you know where all of this stuff, you know where all this come from? I'm going to talk it straight. Big. I want to can't me and send it going everywhere. The Samoa agreement. And that's all that is bullshit. I start from. Because him aligned one certain way. And we are against the teaching of this knowledge children in a primary school. And they are like a freak of nature. We can't mind them on the platform. Caution you. All the way on the caution side. And then they start disrespect everybody with the caution side. See? We make sure we don't take you off. We start traveling up on the platform because we want somebody to say one thing to me. And that's the reason why I go over there. Because I hear say anybody with a caution platform and this and that. Anybody with a sign. So me step over there. Because me just want one person. What the stinking proboscis. It never happened. A whole heap of talk they make about who have caution sign. Every time we go over there, But I tell you, culture not nearly kick off. But I tell you, culture not nearly kick off. But one of them. We just whoop them stinking beak. But they wouldn't do it. We are all PNP. We are fight for your cause. And this just come raw, son for labor and PNP. I'm a create a problem. Yo. Alright. Sure. Hungry. Yeah. Impression of trouble. Yeah, I shall wait for this. Eh? Oh, I will talk to you. Tell the fish say fuck up. I tell the missus Bumbo. It's about time now what this. Yeah, I say. We can't sit down to our thing. Call it over what this. Look how much time with the platform. And we get disrespect. Multiply by disrespect. We get to understand. You have all a platform and go on. You can Rasta man on the platform. Him number